Periodically ultrasonic homogenizer. Let me show you what is quality ultrasonic homogenizer and how easy operation it is. We tested our industry scale device extraction efficiency through the black wolfberry. Black wolfberry is a traditional Chinese medicine rich in enhoceines. Therefore, it is widely used in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. Through this video, you will see clearly the extraction speed of our ultrasonic homogenizer. The water soonly turned blue after throwing the berries. That's the essential elements are extracted and dissolved in water. Ultrasonic homogenizer has been widely used in many industries due to its high working efficiency. You are welcome to contact us for free testing with your material.